Hello, love bugs. Welcome back to Glam Tones. It's your girl Gigi, and today we're going to start celebrating Valentine's Day. It is next week. I've been seeing hearts everywhere, so I know everybody else is out there celebrating as well. We're going to do 3 nails in that beautiful tanny. It's not cream, it's tan, okay? It's definitely a tan color, but I'm just about out of cream, so we went with tan. And these colors all came together in a set. This is a Model 1s look that we're doing today, a full Model 1 set. They all went together. The set came together. I picked all the colors from the same set, and so I knew it would be a really pretty set look together. So it's a Model 1s look for Valentine's Day today. And I'm just doing a side swooshy French. And everything's getting 2 coats, guys. I didn't show 2 coats, but 2 coats on the base color there and 2 coats on the French as well. If you don't like any sort of texture on your nails at all, make sure you do a base coat before you top coat to help get rid of any lumpy bumpy feeling. And even though we're working really flat, having 2 coats on the swooshy French and then what we're going to add on top of that could leave you with a tiniest bit of texture. So base coat and maybe even a double top coat, although then you're starting to get kind of thick. So maybe a nice juicy base coat and then a top coat. So what we're doing is filling our swooshy French with hearts, and we are alternating the colors. The color of the other swooshy French is the hearts on this one, and in the reverse on the other side. If you are worried about messing up your work, freeze these in between. I recommend actually at least 30 seconds because this polish is very opaque. And so you could get some wrinkling. So I'm not sure I really do recommend flash curing, but if you're trying to speed things up, maybe 30 seconds, or just, trust yourself and power through. But I'm not perfect at it. I did a lot of in-between curing. So if you feel like that is your best bet, because it also takes time to clean up mistakes, right? So, and if you have to wipe off a bunch of good hearts to take one ugly heart off, I don't know, that seems like a lot more wasted time to me. Personally, that's just a personal thing. Maybe you are a way better artist than me and you can do those things. I do a lot of curing. I do a lot of curing. So now on the 2 nails that we painted the other color, this pretty peach color, it's kind of a muted peach. Mutity is not a word. Nudity is a word. Mutity is not a word. Anyway, we're using the pink colors on this muted peach color. And I think it looks really good. I think it came out super cute. We're going to add one more thing to these. And you'll see that in a moment. In just a moment. So, do you guys have any Valentine's Day plans? I absolutely do not. Honestly, I celebrate Valentine's on the channel every year, but I personally am not a huge fan of Valentine's Day. I love to receive candy and cards and flowers and gifts, but I like to get them all the time. I don't want you to shove them all into one day for me. If it's that sort of a relationship, and even if it is, let's skip Valentine's Day, or do something so simple and easy like dinner and a movie at home, snuggled in our footy pajamas. That sounds like the perfect Valentine's Day to me. No money spent except for food, and maybe we rent a movie or something on Amazon that we wouldn't normally get. That's my idea of the best Valentine's Day. So this set and everything we're going to do this week, because we're going to hit Valentine's hard, that's what I would do. That's just a nice snuggly night. That's the perfect night to me if you're But if you're like a party animal, like back in the day, a night out dancing, that would have been my perfect night. Although I've never really dated a guy who liked to go out dancing or been married to a man who liked to go out dancing. So that's kind of a bummer, right? I need to find somebody who likes to dance, right? Take me out dancing. Uh, Although I think I'd have to work my stamina back up for that. Woo! It's been many a year since I've been out dancing, like the whole night away. A long, long time, definitely. I dance at my house every day, though. I mean, how do you not dance every day, right? I dance a little bit every day. So now that we've got all our hearts placed down, what I'm going to do is just add some dots. So today's look is very filled with dots because when you make a heart, all you're doing is 2 dots and then pulling it down into the point so that you can get that heart shape. So I find hearts to be one of the most simple things for me to draw personally. It's hard to overthink it, right? And I think a lot of the other art things I try to do. So I'm working on that, guys. I'm really working on that, on being better artistically, but also at overthinking, because the overthinking, that kills your creativity, right? So now on these big hearts, I just off the cuff, I decided, let me see if I like a little, the same way that we did the dots on the side of the little hearts, let's do them on the big ones. And I have to say, I really dig it. I think it looks super duper cute. So let's go ahead and do a top coat. Carmen doesn't mind a little lumpy bumpy on her nails, so we're just gonna do one. And also that just, saves a little extra top coat for the next time, right? Because why waste it? Carmen doesn't care. She's so sweet. She's the best model ever. She wears whatever I want to put on her and she never complains, not once. And if you don't know who Carmen is, she's my practice hand. She's my 3rd practice hand. We've gone from Dolly, who was my first hand, and she's a doll hand, so I call her Dolly. And then we went to my second hand, which honestly I never put a last set on her, but her name is Patsy, and now we have Carmen. And guys, this is the finished set. I love these. I think they came out super cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section below while you're down there clicking all my buttons. We're going to see you in the next video on Wednesday. And until then, stay glamorous. Bye-bye, guys. Don't forget, you're a rock star if you're still here.